Hello students. Today we are going to start with our second problem which was sent to you. Let us solve it together. R and K were partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. So ratio between R and K is given. There are two partners, R and K, and ratio is 3:2. See that you always write the names of the partner and the ratio below it, so that you come to know which partner is sharing each partner's share. The first partner share is 3/5 and second partner share is 2/5. This is important for us while calculating their divisible profit. Okay. So on 1st January 2017, their capital was rupees 1,50,000 and 50,000 and rupees 1,25,000 respectively. So the accounting year is from 1st January 2017 to 31st December 2017. So the capital is given. Next line, the drawings during the year were rupees 5,000 of R and rupees 2,500 of K. Next, the partnership deed provided that interest on capital to be allowed at 10% per annum and no interest on drawing to be charged. So we are going to give the partners 10% interest on their capital. R is entitled to a salary of rupees 1,000 per month. So we are preparing a profit and loss appropriation account for the year ending 31st December. And per month they are giving 1,000. So for full year it is how much? 1,000 multiplied by 12 is 12,000. For full year it will be 12,000. Then commission payable to K is rupees 10,000. So let us see, the profit for the year ended 31st December 2017 was rupees, before making this above adjustment, was rupees 90,000. So let us take the profit by net profit brought down, by net profit brought down 90,000. So next we will take the first point. Interest on capital to be allowed at 10% per annum. So we are going to calculate the interest on capital. So interest on capital R and K. R's capital is 1,50,000 multiplied by 10%, and K's capital is 1,25,000 multiplied by 10%. It comes to 15,000 and 12,500. So this interest we are going to write on the debit side. To interest on capital. So we will take R and K. Their capital is, interest is 15,000 and 12,500. Total comes to 27,500 in the outer column. So you have to add both interest on capital and write in the outer column. So the first A point is over because no interest on drawing is there. So you cannot give them any interest if the partnership deed is absent regarding interest on drawings. Then B, R is entitled to a salary. So salary also comes on the debit side. To R's salary, I will write here only 1,000 multiplied by 12 you have to make. Because in the problem it is given per month. We have to calculate for full year. If it was given 12,000 directly per annum, then 12,000 we have to take in the outer column. Next, commission to K. To K's commission, it is 10,000. Directly outside, because it is given for full year. No other entries are there because profit we have already transferred. Capital and drawings will not come in profit and loss appropriation account. Only interest on capital, salary, commission will come in this account. So let us balance this account now. Now if you total both the column, which side is more? That side, credit side, it is 90,000 and this side it is 49,500. 20, 30, 40, 49,500. So which side it is more? It is more on the credit side. So that total you write in the total column. This side it is 49,500 and that side it is 90,000. You minus this amount and find the difference, and the difference you write on the lesser side. It comes to 40,500. So this side is less. Same like your balancing of ledgers, 90,000 minus 49,500. Which 49,500? All these three amount will give you 49,500. This amount you minus from 90,000, difference you write here, and then you have to write that amount you have to write as to profit. This is a balancing amount transferred to capital account R and K. Now you have to do that. Find out what is the share of both the partners. After minusing 90,000 minus this amount, you get 40,500. This 40,500 you have to distribute among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. Now what is the profit sharing ratio? It is given in the first line. The R and K were partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. So you have to take R and K, their ratio is 3:2. You have to add this, it comes to 5. So R share is 3/5 and K share is 2/5. So what you have to do is, you find out R share, you have to take that 40,000, multiply by 3, divide by 5 and take that 40,500, multiply by 2/5. It comes to 24,300 and 16,200. Okay, after you calculate on your calculator, you will find this answer. This answer you have to write in the inner column. 24,300 and 16,200. If you total both this amount, it will come 40,500. So this problem, only interest on capital, salary and commission is there. Interest on drawing is not there. So we got a profit of 40,500, which is divided among the partners in the profit sharing ratio. Thank you.